Hello, Year 9. We're looking at question 2. First thing we noticed from 2a is the negative index. That tells me that this number is a small number. So I'm going to start with 4.8 and I'm going to make the number smaller by moving the decimal to the left-hand side. Smaller goes to the left. And so to see how many decimal places I'm moving it, I'm putting some zeros in before I start moving. And then I move 5 spaces. That -5 means 5 to the left. That's 5 decimal places, so you can see where the decimal goes. So we'll write our answer out, excluding any extra zeros, and the original decimal place. And that is your answer. It's 1 mark, and you either get it right or wrong. The answer in the box is the answer. For B, the first thing you notice is this is a big number. It's not a decimal number like our answer to the preceding question. So we have to have a positive index. We're going to count the places that we will need to move the decimal until we make our number between 1 and 10. And that is 7 decimal places. And the number that we get when we've moved our decimal is 3.4. So the answer in the box is the correct answer. Again, it's 1 mark, so you either get it or you don't.